Welcome to a video on my BeagleBoard Classic revision C4 running Ubuntu Linux, which is attached to HDMI cable, serial cable and USB with network interface. And this is telling me that it is indeed running Ubuntu Linux, quite old version by the way. And my experiment is to do something with this fischertechnik camera. See if this works, and recalling history, I did something similar in 2016. But not with this camera. Will this camera be better or not? So that's what I want to find out. And since the only way of this board with USB is this one, which connects to this USB hub, I want to put this one to that hub, so I have a network connection and I can do something with screencast, because that is much better viewable than recording this screen, of which I recently had a complaint with one of my oldest videos. And yes, I didn't use screencast yet in 2015 when I started my YouTube. Anyway, let's connect the camera and see whatever happens. Alright, so screencast is set, and this is serial interface with Minicom. Target VNC connection over the network, and USB hub, serial cable, board itself, and stable power supply. And this is a tripod for the camera. So first thing to do, hook it up. By now the monitor has gone completely black since there is no keyboard and mouse attached, but it's alright, because in the past it has shown that there are many errors coming. So let me do it just this way. And now of course I want to see if this camera is doing something. So let's head over to here. Does it actually do something? And it actually does do something. In the sense that there's a USB 2.0 camera with from Sonic technology, which is now used as a fischertechnik camera, so with audio. Anyway, that's one thing. And okay, that's a setback. Let's just file directory of what. And I think I recall having a problem with guvcview. Is there another program to use it? I'm not quite sure about that. But let me try once again. Answer is apparently no, it can't. Unknown PCM cards, and everything else is unknown. So this being an old Linux version, let me try something else, if there's something else. Right, a short look at available memory is that it has 240 megabytes memory, which is very low memory. So I want to go for Cheese. Cheese is another video application. Let me check that. I haven't installed it yet, as you can see. Not sure if it's going to be a success, but let's see anyway. And during installation, I noticed, or prior to installation, I noticed that these files will be installed, and this is all due to Gnome, so which is a very memory extensive desktop, which I'm not using, but apparently that's a dependency. So yeah, I am not quite sure if that's going to work out. Let's see anyway. And now I'm running into another problem because it can't resolve Ubuntu.com. Well, ports. I know it is a very old Linux version, but then again, can I? No, I can't because I'm missing U. This is taking way too long. Okay, let me try to ping something on my own network. Yeah, I can. Can I ping something in Netherlands, whatever? That is taking way too long. Okay, so I best check if I can ping something outside of here, which I should be able to, given the fact that I've updated some of the stuff on here. Or was it on another board? Can't recall. Anyway, I have to check repositories. Okay, so now I have an explanation why things go wrong. Because right here it says exactly what it does. This is a 6-year-old Linux kernel. In Linux terms, that is, let's say, ancient. Very ancient. Date 2014, just a few days later. This means that this version cannot be updated anymore. I just have to install a different version of Linux, hoping that the very low memory will be suited for a different version of low memory Linux, and I have my doubts about it, even with this amount of memory. So is this a failure? Well, it's not a experiment that has gone well so far, but who knows. For Arduino there is even a little bit more memory right now, but this is a board from 2014, as you can see. For my previous experiments it did quite well, but they're old. So I could try to make a newer card, or another card with another newer version of Linux, and see if that works out. And 16 gigabytes tells enough. Usually it's now either 32 or 64 gigabytes. Anyway, that is what I might try. the camera is being recognized, so that's one thing, but getting an image, that's quite another. So that may be continued. That may be another time. Alright, and that was it for this part of the experiment. Failed, yes and no. This is anyway going to be probably continued regarding this one, and regarding the camera, of course, because that was the focus. Thanks for watching anyway. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can support me by either becoming a patron or donate via either PayPal or IBAN. For more information, see the description box. And well, this is going probably to be continued. Stay safe, have a nice day, bye.